everyone, and welcome to the Sunflower Seams Cinnamon Sew Along. We are on day 4. If you are completing the simple version of the stocking, then you can take the day off. None of the steps from today's video apply to you. Steps 17 through 25, which we will be covering, are solely for attaching and creating and attaching the scarf for our animal stockings. If you're creating the animal stocking, let's go ahead and let's get started. Take your stocking piece, either the long or short tie, and fold it in half with the wrong sides of the fabric touching. Sew along the long raw edge, and when you reach the bottom, turn and sew across. You will then want to cut your 2 corners and turn the scarf piece inside out. Once you have turned it inside out, you will want to give it a really good press. You will then want to take your short scarf tie piece and line it up on the left side of your stocking, centering it to the face and main stocking seam and lining up the raw edge of the tie with the raw edge of the stocking. Pin it in place and baste. You will want to baste the long side of the scarf the same exact way as the short side, except you are attaching it to the right hand side. Once you have your scarf tie pieces basted, you will then want to take your scarf center and fold it in half with the right sides of the fabric touching. Sew along the 2 raw edges. Then you will turn your scarf middle piece inside out and align your scarf seam in the back center and press well. Now fold your scarf center piece in half, again, this time long ways, and line up the 2 raw edges, and you want your center seam to be facing out. Place a pin and then sew along the raw edge. Turn your center scarf piece right side out and put your center seam in the center back just like you previously did. Now measure 2.5 inches from the left hand side, and I like to place a pin right there just so I can kind of see that measurement, and center your center scarf piece along the face and the stocking main right at that 2.5 inch mark. You will want to hand tack this center piece in place.